What if I told you that your future success could boil down to mastering just 8 skills? Sounds bold, doesn't it? But in a world where AI is transforming industries at lightning speed, staying ahead means more than just knowing about these changes. It requires action. Are you ready to set yourself apart and thrive in 2025's AI-driven world? Let's dive into the 8 AI skills that will define winners and losers in the years to come. Number 1. AI-assisted software development. No-code, jar low-code platforms. No-code and low-code platforms like Bolt and Replit Agent are revolutionizing software development by removing the need for advanced coding skills. These platforms allow anyone from entrepreneurs to non-developers to build apps through simple drag-and-drop features and easy customization. By democratizing software development, these tools save both time and money, opening up new opportunities for innovation, reducing reliance on developers, and empowering people to turn ideas into functional applications quickly and easily. Number 2. Automation with AI agents. AI agents like ChatGPT and AutoGPT are transforming industries by automating routine tasks. These digital workers can manage everything from customer inquiries to personalized recommendations, making businesses more efficient. By freeing human employees from repetitive work, AI agents allow them to focus on higher-value tasks. This automation leads to reduced operational costs, increased productivity, and ensures 24/7 service availability for businesses across various sectors. Number 3. AI content generation. AI tools like Midjourney for images and Runway for videos are changing content creation. These platforms enable users to generate high-quality visuals and videos quickly, without needing professional expertise or expensive software. Content creators can scale their output effortlessly, produce visually stunning campaigns, and keep their messaging consistent, reducing the cost and time typically required for traditional creative processes. Number 4. AI editing and enhancement. AI-powered editing tools, such as Descript, automate complex tasks like transcription, voice cloning, and video editing. These tools help content creators improve the quality of their work while saving time. For example, podcasters can instantly transcribe and edit audio, making their production process faster and more efficient. AI editing also lowers the skill barrier, making content refinement more accessible. Number 5. Prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is essential for generating high-quality outputs from AI models like GPT-4. It involves crafting clear, concise, and specific instructions to guide AI toward providing accurate responses. For instance, data analysts can frame detailed prompts to generate insightful reports. Mastering prompt engineering helps optimize AI efficiency, leading to more accurate results and minimizing the need for trial and error. Number 6. Workflow automation. Workflow automation platforms like Zapier make it easy to streamline everyday tasks. By connecting apps and automating workflows, users can eliminate repetitive work and save time. For example, HR managers can automate onboarding processes by integrating tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Trello. Workflow automation enhances productivity, reduces human error, and enables businesses to scale more effectively without additional resources. Number 7. AI-enhanced writing. AI-enhanced writing tools like Grammarly, Jasper AI, and Notion AI help writers improve their content quality and productivity. These tools assist with generating ideas, drafting articles, and refining language to ensure clarity and consistency. Whether you're a professional blogger or a marketer, AI can elevate your writing process, making it faster and more efficient, and ultimately improving your overall content quality. Number 8. Audience engagement. AI tools for audience engagement offer valuable insights into user behavior, helping businesses craft personalized content that resonates. These tools enable creators to analyze audience preferences, schedule posts, and optimize engagement strategies. By leveraging AI, content creators can build stronger connections with their followers, increase brand loyalty, and ensure that their content remains relevant and impactful in a crowded digital landscape. The future is being written by those who embrace the power of AI. These 8 skills aren't just trends. They're your ticket to staying competitive in 2025 and beyond. Start small, practice often, and watch how mastering AI can transform your personal and professional life. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep innovating, stay curious, and embrace the future with AI.